You're watching how to fix Apple Maps directions not working on iPhone. First, check your internet connection, as Apple Maps requires data for routing. Open Safari to a web page to test. If you have a weak signal, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Ensure location services are enabled specifically for maps. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then select Location Services. Ensure the main toggle is on. Scroll to find Maps in the list and tap it. Select while using the app or always, and ensure precise location is toggled on. Next, close and restart the Maps app. Swipe up from the bottom to enter the app switcher. Find Maps and swipe it up to close. Reopen it and try directions again. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and a volume button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on. Check for a software update, as bugs are often fixed in updates. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install any available updates. For driving directions, ensure driving is selected as your mode of travel and not a blocked option like walking. Enter your starting point manually if it's incorrect. If you're avoiding tolls or highways, check your route settings. Tap your profile picture in Maps. Select Preferences, then Driving. Review options like Avoid tolls. Finally, ensure date and time are set correctly. Go to Settings, tap General. Then Date and Time, enable Set Automatically. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.